What are the 3 ways that a weBoost 3-way mount actually mounts? They don't include instructions, and we get a lot of questions. Hi, I'm Chris with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, here to give you a quick video explanation about the weBoost 3-way mount, which is a antenna mount that they include with several of their antennas and offer online as well. And it's a 3-way mount, but nowhere do they actually explain what those 3 ways are, and a lot of people have written us kind of confused as to how to actually set this antenna mount up. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the 3 different ways. So this is the mount right here. So it's this little metal piece here that you can screw it, it's basically a CB mount style antenna into. It is the weBoost 4G OTR antenna here at the end of the stalk. And, well, now what are the 3 different ways you can mount it? Well, way number 1 is mounting it directly to a wall. So taking this plate here and using screws or bolts, going through the holes and into a wall. So wall mounted, way number 1. Way number 2 is, well, you see this little slot across the side? There you go. That's the clamp style mount. So you're clamping to a horizontal pole, like my finger here, and clamping to a horizontal pole. That's pretty simple and obvious. But, well, what if you've got like a vertical pole, like an RV ladder or something, and you want to clamp it going up like this to a vertical pole? Well, it's not obvious, but you actually just rotate this 90 degrees, ignore the horizontal rotation, and put the other faceplate going up. So it will not quite look right, but it will grip the pole just fine and squeeze it in and work. So that is the 3 ways that a weBoost 3-way mount goes. The non-intuitive way is the way a lot of RVers actually want to use it on a top of a ladder with a vertical pole, and it works just fine for that.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.